I'm Tuhina, CEO and co-founder of Propine, an MAS-regulated tokenization and custody service provider for digital assets. There has been considerable uncertainty in the past as to how crypto and security tokens should be considered by the investors. Today, there are clear signs that traditional market infrastructure is adapting to token economy. Large institutions are embracing the new reality that capital markets are on a steady march to be fully tokenized. However, there are several reasons why industry is still a few years away from mass adoption. The largest risk comes from regulatory side. Hence, many of the purported advantages of this asset class are significantly diminished if the infrastructure providing these services is not licensed and compliant. Shaky legal frameworks and hidden counterparty risks create an unwelcome space for institutional players. Another deterrent for mass adoption is availability of reliable and convenient fiat custody ramps. And then comes the widely advertised but very risky promise of be your own bank. But once you get into it, you quickly realize that being your own bank is more complex and dangerous than you thought. Individuals make mistakes. Individuals are the point of failure. It is better to trust a well-audited, battle-hardened network of policies, controls, governance, and operations. Finally, lack of institutional custody solutions also deter mass adoption. We're inspired by the moonshot ambition to reshape financial services. Propine is rewiring capital markets to make it more accessible and efficient using blockchain technology. We work with Monetary Authority of Singapore to become the first and the only licensed custodian for digital assets. So, regulatory issues, we have that covered for you. We have strong legal frameworks in place that ensure no client assets are ever attached to our balance sheet. Working with us protects you from any unnecessary counterparty or credit risks, not just ours, but also that of your trading counterparts. Our first product is called Protect, a hyper-secure, highly available, and scalable custody platform. We offer cash custody with top-tier banks, offering institutional investors a compliant and first-class service. Our cutting-edge KYC AML compliance services ensures we keep you in lockstep with ever-evolving regulatory landscape globally. Based on these three horizontal services, we offer advanced crypto products called CryptClear and Definity, which allows seamless trading and income generation opportunities for our clients, essentially creating a regulated window into the exciting but treacherous DeFi world. Finally, on the security side, we provide Dash, the tokenization and security token issuance platform, as well as Props, the digital security services platform involving asset servicing and reporting. Thus, we have a unique integrated platform that can manage crypto, fiat, and security tokens in a single place for you. We have spent significant amount of resources in ensuring not just a defensive or responsive, but a predictive security posture. We have undergone several rounds of technical audits and are ISO 27001 compliant. Besides, we have a strong and mature enterprise risk management framework, taking care of data privacy, technology risk management, and cybersecurity into account. We hold insurance against any theft of assets under our custody or negligent behavior of any of our employees or directors. On top of hyper-secure technical infrastructure, we have a layer of strong policy governance infrastructure in place. All our policy engines are modular, programmable, and customizable for each client. TLDR, we ensure your peace of mind as you navigate the exciting new future of finance. So, if you enjoy defining the future, reach out to me at the coordinates mentioned here. Thank you.
Tuhina, thank you very much for a great pitch. Dear members, short questions, Tuhina, even shorter answers. So we maximize our 3 minutes.
So could you maybe share some of the example of the clients you have today already?
All right, yeah. So on the crypto side, most of the clients that we're dealing with are regulated funds. Essentially, the ones where the fund managers are regulated in some really good jurisdictions, including Singapore. On the digital security side, we're providing solutions to regulated exchanges in basically Southeast Asia.
Okay, so they're Southeast Asia centric, I guess.
Asia-centric at the moment.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
Can you please also share a little bit about where you stand with regard to launch, or have you launched already, and how business is tracking?
Sure, yes. We launched our digital security solutions earlier. So we were in the sandbox between November 2019 to January 2021. So, and we had some limitations around what we could potentially offer during the sandbox. So we've got pretty good traction on the digital securities. We've got about 5 different exchanges for whom we are providing, and we are at the moment integrating our solution with them across Malaysia and Singapore. And there are a couple of banks that we are working with one is in Thailand and another one is in Indonesia. And we are also applying for another license in Malaysia because of the client that we've signed up with there. On the crypto side, we have signed up with a few funds. So our total AUM is about $200 million. And this is in the beta phase, so we haven't launched in a big way to everybody. That is so on the crypto side, it's going to happen over the next few weeks. So it's just imminent, and there's going to be a bit of a splash pretty soon on the crypto side from Propine.
One last question.
How do you think about market size? How big is the opportunity in your mind?
So the market size in immediate time is on the crypto side, and in longer term, the play is more on the digital security side. But it will take a while before the digital securities really take off, and that's basically we're talking of trillions of dollars of digital securities coming online. At this point of time, the fact that we're able to offer integrated solutions creates an opportunity on both sides, and we are actually the only licensed player that is able to provide that level of integration across all parts of the ecosystem. However, in the immediate term, I would say we're looking at supporting a few funds that have the potential of going to $1 billion within the next 12 to 18 months. So we're talking of local ETFs and all that are imminent to be launched.
Thank you so much, Tuhina, and best of luck with digital assets adoption. Goodbye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.